Hello and welcome back to our introduction to Python programming series. In this particular lecture video, we'll be looking at data types. Okay, so what is a data type? A data type basically defines the type of value stored in a variable. In our earlier video, we made mention of a variable being a container that stores something. So the type of value stored in a variable is what we term as a data type. So with Python, Python is dynamically typed, as mentioned earlier. There's no need to explicitly declare a variable type. Okay, so Python automatically assigns data types based on the values. Okay, so there are different data types in Python. We have the integers. We can see here. You have the integers. Let me use the pen. Okay. All right. So we have integers here. We have the floats, that is basically any number with decimal. We have also strings, any number in double quotation, single quotation in Python is deemed as a string. Okay, so let's look at the numeric data types and then let's practice it. Okay, so numeric data types are basically data types that find themselves with numbers. Okay. So examples of numeric data types are, we have the 10, minus 5, we have 3.14, 2.5, minus 3.5. We have complex numbers also. So there are basically three numeric data types in Python that we should know about. The basic ones you should know. You should know about integers. Integers are basically any positive or negative whole number. So you have 10, could be minus 5, it could be 1,000, it could be minus 2,000. It can be classified as an integer. Okay. All right. And we also have floats, any number that has a decimal place. So 3.144 is a float, or 3.14 is a float. 3.144 could be a float. Minus 2.5 or minus any number that has basically any numbers after the decimal place. So 3.0 is a float. 3.000 is a float. Minus 4.1267 is also a float. Okay. And you also have complex numbers that take this form. So you have 3 plus 4j, as you can see here, it's a complex number. You can also have 2 plus 4e and the others. Okay. So let's get practical with numeric data types. Okay, to do this, we are going to use the Anaconda IDE that we installed. So